In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be offline in Slack. If you want to focus on deep work, take a break without interruptions, or simply check messages without appearing available right away. Slack gives you a few simple tools to manage that. It's important to know that Slack normally shows you as active whenever the app is open and in use. So if you want to appear offline, you'll need to change that manually. To begin, open Slack on whichever device you're using. This could be the desktop app, Slack in your web browser, or the mobile app. Once you're inside your workspace, look for your profile picture. Depending on your layout, it may appear near the bottom left side of the screen or in the top right corner. Click or tap your profile image to open your profile and account controls. Once that menu is open, look just below your profile name for the present setting. You should see the option to set yourself as away. Select that, and your status indicator will change from a green dot to an empty circle. That visual change tells others in your workspace that you're currently away or unavailable. If you want to give your team a little more context, you can also update your status message. In the same profile area, click on the option to update your status, usually marked with a smiley face icon. From there, type a short message that explains your availability, such as focusing, out for lunch, or out of office. You can also choose an emoji if you'd like. Before saving, use the clear after option to decide when that status should expire. This is useful because Slack can automatically remove it later, so you don't have to remember to change it back yourself. Now, setting yourself as away changes how visible you appear, but it does not stop notifications on its own. If you want to truly disconnect, open your profile menu again and find the pause notifications option. Hover over it or tap into it, then choose how long you want notifications paused. Once enabled, Slack will place you in Do Not Disturb mode, and you'll see a crescent moon icon added to your status. If you regularly want Slack to stay quiet outside work hours, go back to your profile, open Preferences, and head to Notifications. In that section, scroll to Notification Schedule and adjust the timing to match your normal routine. That way, Slack can automatically silence notifications after hours. When you're ready to come back online, open your profile menu one more time and choose Set Yourself as Active. Your green dot will return and your team will see that you're available again. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.